Hi everybody. This video is going to show you how to gather the materials that you need for mat cutting. So I'm going to take you around the room and give you an idea of where things are and what it looks like when you've got everything gathered and ready to start mat cutting. So here we go. Okay, first and foremost, mat cutters are along the right side of the room, and I've got all of the drawers labeled. So here's our two mat cutting drawers. In the first drawer, the top drawer, there are some mat cutters along with a box of blades. So you can get the whole box out. Okay, and we can get a mat cutter out. And with the mat cutter, you want to make sure that you grab an extra piece of mat board like this. Okay. We need that to cut onto just to make sure that we get nice, straight, clean lines. So there usually are extras of those. If you can't find them in the top drawer, they're in the bottom drawer down there. And then there also is a box here that's a box of X-Acto blades. And you need one of those just in case we need to clean up some corners. And then close it all back up. Okay, now moving around to find mat board. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. Go across the room and there are two cabinets that are labeled mat board. And in these two cabinets there are smaller pieces of mat board, different colors, different textures. So you need to go through and kind of investigate what we have and what might work for your piece. And if there's a color that you specifically want but you don't find one large enough for your project, then we're going to move to the back of the room, all the way. Don't mind our working space. Sometimes it's a little messy. You're going to come into the storage closet. Sometimes this is locked, so if it's locked, you need to ask me for the key and I can let you in. But back here along the back wall, there's a ton of mat board. There we can see the colors. So here we've got a wide range of colors. The blues, the greens, the purples, the oranges, the reds, the creams, they're all kind of arranged in color fashion. And then we have a lot of black, white, and gray, which is a traditional matte color. So there's your options for that. Let's pick pink. Or it's not really pink, it's kind of mauve. I like that color. So you're going to grab the mat that you want to cut for your art piece. You want an extra piece of mat board. You need the actual mat cutter, and you need the box of blades. In this box of blades, there are straight cutters, where the blade is oriented in a straight fashion to allow you to cut straight edges. And then there are bevel cutters. And usually our bevel cutters are labeled bevel cutter. We've got two different styles, which I'll teach you in a different video how to use them. But you need one of each. After you have all of your materials, then we move on to the next step, which is measuring and calculating how to cut and what size to cut your mat board.